Greetings viewers, I invite you to an interesting adventure through the city, which already in the 11th century had the first inhabitants. We are of course talking about the beautiful city of Mel. So enjoy your view. We begin with the unique castle of Aldendriel. The first known inhabitant around 1500 was Jonkheer Hendrik van de Voort van Aldendriel. His family crest consists of a red lily on a silver shield, surrounded by 5 red blocks. The castle remained in the possession of this family until 1700. Then the estate passed into the hands of the lords of Van Well. At that time it was used as a hunting lodge and summer residence. Unfortunately, it is only a remnant of the original house due to multiple renovations over hundreds of years. In 1128 the Norbertine Abbey of Marienweed in Beesd already owned property in the vicinity of Mel, and later the number of properties there increased even more. In 1323, this abbey obtained the right of patronage from Jan Bok de Mera, Lord of Boxmeer. The Church of Mill was then dependent on the parish church of Boxmeer, but in 1326 Mill became an independent parish. It has always been dedicated to St. Willibrordus. The Church of Mill was destroyed several times, and after 1648 it was Nazified by the Reformed, after which the Catholics had to use a barn church. In 1820, they got their church back. However, this one was dilapidated and was demolished. A new church was built, but it also fell into disrepair and was demolished in 1879. However, the city of Mill is not only a magnificent castle, an impressive church, but also on west of Mill is a varied area of mixed forest, deciduous forest, farmland and the Defence Canal. Also located here is the Castle Tongelar. Already in the 9th century there was a motte castle here, which served, among other things, to take cover from the Normans. Since this location belonged to the Meuse Basin, it was very marshy. Later it came into the possession of the lords of the land of Cauch. John I was one of those involved in the murder plot. There were even rumors that Floris V would have been murdered at Tongelar, but that is incorrect. After the murder, the castle came back into the possession of the lords of Cauch. These gradually became allies of the Dukes of Brabant. To this day, it remains a historic monument in Dutch history.